Hey guys, this is Rodo, and today I'm going to try and update the iDrive through the USB port. There you go. And so I got the BMW USB drive, and I've downloaded the update from BMW's website. All you have to do is, get your car's VIN and then download the file, and we'll see how it goes. All right. I think the first step is to put the USB card in. Let's see, and then with my vehicle, get the instructions already. iDrive settings, software update software. There you go. Update software via USB. Alright, so let me just do that. USB. Okay. Trace 1 minute. Okay, so this is the update that I'll be installing. Apple iPhone, so what's the details part? Oh, alright. Not too long then, so install software. Turn on ignition. Ignition is on. The system will be unavailable during the installation. The vehicle will need to be turned off at the end. Alright. Okay, so it's installing now. 35%, 36%. We'll just have to wait. And while we're waiting on that, my M2 now has almost 11,000 miles and still doing great for me. So software update complete. Turn off ignition when parked and wait until the control display turns off. Alright, so this vehicle is being turned off. Please wait. I am waiting. And again, I haven't taken off the USB. How long does this take? I guess we'll just have to wait. Ignition's off now. Still waiting. Ooh, I think that's it. Alright, I think that's it. So I'm gonna take this off now. I'll cover it later. Let's see. Start the car. We'll just start the ignition. Yeah. Okay. M logo. What is it going to do? Okay, the usual. And do iDrive settings. Software update. What version are we using? I think I have to click this. There you go. That's the version. Looks okay. Alright. That's it. I think I'm done. That was relatively easy. So if you guys want to update your software, your iDrive software, just go ahead and download, put it in a USB drive, plug it in into your car, follow the instructions, and that's it. Thanks guys. I hope this helps.